Without exception, we sleep better in the dark. Unfortunately, this isn't always possible, especially for shift workers like the emergency services, who work 24 hours a day to keep us safe. Constantly changing sleep patterns can mess with our circadian rhythms and make it difficult to drop off when you get the chance. I work in the emergency services, and I struggled for years in getting my sleep right, but I've utilized my previous experience as a nurse to review clinical studies and use what I learn to help myself and others. I hope to help so many more people through this channel, so let's look at an easy way to start. Let's look at an easy... Light causes issues in blocking our melatonin, that is the sleep hormone, levels rising to help us drift off peacefully and remain asleep. Studies show that sleeping even in dimly lit rooms is less beneficial than sleeping in absolute darkness. We can all be affected by light entering through the curtains in those summer months, and if you're a night shift worker, then it can be any day of the year that you simply aren't getting the best quality sleep. Fortunately, there's a few simple things we can do for this. The first is to consider an eye mask. Just be aware these vary in quality, type and texture, and you need to find the right one for you. Some of the more flimsy ones can still let light through. That's why I prefer blackout blinds. This helps me keep my bedroom completely dark. So when I get home from a night shift, my body quickly learns it's time to sleep, and I don't need to wake up early because of an eye mask slipping off. Eye masks and/or blackout blinds are a relatively cheap and simple way to improve your sleep in the next day or two, so why not try and see if it helps you? Of course, there are numerous other reasons you may struggle to get a restful night's sleep, but stick with us as we will be adding so many different tips over the coming days, weeks and months. Until the next video, sleep well and stay safe.